A river cuts through rock not because of its power, but because of its persistence. This is such a powerful quote because it shows the value of the compound effect. Let me explain. Let's say, for example, you decide that you want to become a best-selling author and you're in the process of writing your book and you've convinced yourself that it needs to get done in a day. You're going to burn yourself out before you even begin. But if on the flip side, you decide, okay, I'm going to commit to 30 minutes or an hour every single day in my book writing process, by the end of the month, you're going to notice a massive difference. Those small, seemingly meaningless steps add up to massive and amazing results if you're consistent, all right? So as you think of your book writing goal, I want you to decide what is a small step that's sustainable that you can commit to every single day, and decide and commit to taking action on that. That is what your future self is going to thank you for. If you want to learn more, join us in my upcoming Write Your Book in 30 Days workshop.